Here is what is inside the box for the Nuwave Duracore Lux 6QT Dutch oven. For information on the product, refer to the owner's manual. Unwrap the cardboard and plastic packaging around the lid, as well as around the pot. In addition, the Dutch oven includes a storage protector, which will help prevent damage to the product when not in use. Before your first use, it is recommended to wash the product with warm soapy water and then dry thoroughly after. Enjoy the Nuwave Duracore Lux 6QT Dutch oven.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.